2026 Subaru Uncharted marks a major leap forward in Subaru's electric vehicle journey. This compact electrical SUV combines impressive driving range, rapid charging capabilities, and true all-weather performance, staying true to brand's rugged DNA. Subaru is expanding its EV lineup with the Uncharted, a slightly smaller SUV co-developed with Toyota CHR+. It will be offered with both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations, along with two battery options to suit different needs. In terms of size, the Uncharted expected to closely match the CHR+, measuring approximately 4,520mm in length, 1,870mm in width, and 1,595mm in height with a 2,750mm wheelbase. Up front, the SUV features Subaru's signature lighting design, also seen on the 2026 Solterra and Trailseeker. It includes rugged, weather-resistant headlamps and a distinctive 6-star illuminated logo that emphasizes its electric identity. The exterior is further enhanced by newly designed 18 to 20-inch alloy wheels, giving the vehicle a bold and confident stance. At the rear, sleek combination lamps, black badging, a high belt line, and a clean seamless tailgate design are paired with silver-painted lower fascia for a modern finish. Inside, the Uncharted features a contemporary cabin with orange accents and a strong focus on technology. A large 14-inch central infotainment touchscreen dominates the dashboard, while the open center console houses two conveniently placed wireless charging pads for both drivers and passengers. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are standard, along with dual USB ports for rear passengers. Despite the emphasis on digital control, Subaru has retained key physical inputs, including temperature knobs for both front occupants and a volume control for audio systems. The driver also benefits from 7-inch digital display behind the steering wheel. The Uncharted offers seating for 5 and provides 23 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, making it practical for everyday use. Three drivetrain options will be available. The primary offering is Subaru's signature all-wheel drive system powered by dual motors and paired with a 77 kWh battery. This setup delivers 252 kW power, up to 292 miles of range, 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 5.0 seconds, and a towing capacity of 1500 kg. For those prioritizing efficiency, a long-range front-wheel drive variant will also be available. It uses the same 77 kWh battery with a single motor, offering an extended range of up to 363 miles. Additionally, a more affordable front-wheel drive version with a smaller 57.7 kWh battery will provide a range of up to 276 miles. All variants of the Uncharted come equipped with a 22 kW onboard charger as standard, enabling fast charging from 10 to 80% in just 30 minutes, even in challenging weather conditions.